when you're in Idaho.
I'm making a video promise that if I have to go poop in the snow, then I have given my husband explicit permission to record that shit.
In Idaho, we go poop in the snow.
He asked if he could record it, and I said, you know what? If I'm dumb enough to drink this espresso and eat breakfast,
and
trust that I can sit in a truck. Trust that I can sit in a truck for a couple hours after all that, and not even make a good enough effort at the last rest stop, then I deserve it.
I'll give you 47 minutes till we're at the next shitter.
My only alternative is the garbage can in the back, and I'm not doing that. I said I'd rather go in the snow, and he said, well, if you go in the snow, can I record that?
Well, if you do the garbage can, make sure you put a bag in it with some paper.
I'm not. I said I'd rather go in the snow and have you record it than shit in this truck in a garbage can.
You'd be surprised.
What? I know. I'd be surprised. Okay, what would I be surprised about?
How liberating it is.
But I know what doing all of that is. I've never done it in the truck, but like I know what everything is like. Oh, what are you talking about? I don't know. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop. Are you whooping?
Whooping.
Okay.
Whooping.
So, big old snowstorm. Where are we?
We in Idaho.
Idaho?
Yeah.
Is that? Come on. Is that a real place?
Idaho.
Okay, Idaho.
Idaho.
There are weird
Idaho.
named places, so I know we're going from Utah to Idaho, so I kind of had a feeling he was making that one up. Anyway, we're somewhere. Going somewhere. Talking about poop this morning.
Idaho.
It's pretty early in the morning still.
Yeah.
Breakfast was chicken sausage in the skillet. I made it while we were driving. Made some eggs and toast and sausage, and that was good. And then I've just been watching This Is Us on my tablet in the back.
I've been watching the crack get bigger across the windshield.
The crack's getting bigger and bigger in the windshield here. It's all the way over there now. Yep, it's definitely getting bigger. That's one of the reasons I went in the back, because I don't want to be in the front when this thing caves in. These two have gotten, look at these two. I knew this was going to happen. I had a feeling they were going to meet up.
There's been a total of
So then when they do, we're
4 spin-outs, cars all spun out. One was on its side.
Oh, I didn't see any of that. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of accidents.
Spin-outs and a truck full of hay with chains connected out of the rest area.
Yeah, I was going to tell that story. And then at the rest area, we saw a guy, even with chains on his wheels, he couldn't get out.
And we just ditched him there. We didn't even try and help him.
Yeah, what can we do? Push!
Get you up in that truck, get out of this.
Yeah, I could probably get him. I was the big hero of the day in Texas when I got our truck out of mud.
Oh, you were.
Yes, I was. It was my idea, and I told you how to do it. It was my idea, and to get the chains, and then we got them, and you weren't doing it the way I wanted you to, and then I told you how to do it, and we got out. I mean, if I wouldn't have to brag if you would just give me my credit. Okay, that's it for now.
Well, you're the reason I got stuck in the mud, because you had to go to that stupid bathroom at a gas station.
No, I'm not the reason we got stuck in the mud. You, the professional trucker, should know not to park in mud.
I didn't park in mud.
So, it would only be my fault if I'm the driver. I was not the driver. If this windshield falls out, that's going to be my fault too.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Yeah.
It's cause and effect.
Okay, I'm signing out now. This is local media. Speaking to you from
Idaho.
What was it? Idaho.
Not Idaho. I Idaho.
What's the name of our favorite grocery store?
Winco in Idaho.
With
Go poop in the
Winco,
snow.
you can wake up on the right side of the bed. That's exactly what we did. Keys. Okay, bye-bye for now.